Now that we have created our form handler, it's time to test it. So you navigate to your form handler, and what you want to do is to copy the HTTPS of your form handler, the endpoint URL. First copy it and you pass it on a separate tab. Then you want to add backslash in a question mark. The reason is we are going to simulate the fill-in of the data that the form handler is supposed to capture. Point of attention here, it is important to use the external field names and not the field names from Salesforce. If we don't use the external field names, you will be redirected to your error locations. For the sake of test, we're going to test both the error location and the success location. So you go back to your tab and you start filling the information. We'll say email equals Badr. Then you add end so that you can fill in the next piece of data. Company equals test. Then you hit enter. As you can see, we were redirected to our error location, the trailhead demo page. So next, we will fill it correctly using the external field names. So we do the same thing again. You get your HTTPS, you copy the endpoint URL, open it in a separate tab, you add a backslash, question mark, and then you start filling the forms. And for the next piece of data, company equals Cloudwave. Then you hit enter. As you can see, now we are redirected to our success location, which was the Udemy course page. So now that we have managed to test our form handler, if you go back to it and refresh the page, we're supposed to see the activity of our test user. Indeed, as you can see here, the test user has submitted a form using the form handler. If you click on it, we can see that our form handler captured the email, the company. We can see that there was a success operation through the form handler, and it managed to attach it to the campaign that we first attached to the form handler. Next, we will see how to integrate the form handler to our website.
Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course, and master Pardot today, click the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.